Hello everyone, this is a new tutorial about how to delete your files. Safety. Usually many people uh, want to remove the files in the desktop environment in the graphic files explorer, and they usually go in here and they click delete, and then they go here and they empty the trash, right? But that is not safe. Obviously there are methods to try to recover the files, and obviously maybe you have important information here inside of the files, you know and maybe you want to be sure no one is going to recover those files. So there is a method on terminal that you could try. For example, there are also a basic method like rm, and you remove all your files, but this is going to do the same as delete and then empty trash. It's the same. This is not safe. This is not safe. So the good thing about this, let me check the files. Okay, let me check the content. Test one, for example. Okay, there is content. So one thing you could try is by read that command line f n and 3. So this is going to remove the content, and they will pass like they will do the thing three times like that, and it's going to force read force 3 times. So that is really safe. So I press enter and I check the content. That's one. There is nothing. Now your data, if someone try to recover your data, is going to see nothing. And then to remove the files, rm minus rf and everything. And now it's safe. Now no one is going to recover your data. Now it's more complicated. It's really safe, this method. So if you have important information to remove, you could try this command line. So yeah, thank you very much.